Are you ready to uncover one of the most promising investment opportunities for 2025? Let's dive into the world of ETFs and see if we can spot a winner together. If you're like many investors, you've probably heard of ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These are investment funds traded on a stock exchange, much like individual stocks. ETFs allow you to diversify your portfolio by pooling your money with other investors to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. This kind of diversification helps spread risk and can potentially boost returns over time. One major advantage of ETFs is their flexibility. They can be bought and sold throughout the trading day, giving investors the ability to react quickly to market movements. ETFs also offer transparency since their holdings are disclosed daily, so you always know exactly what you own. I am excited to highlight a specific ETF that I believe could be a game changer in 2025. But first, let's take a closer look at the current market landscape. Investing in the stock market can feel like riding a roller coaster with ups and downs that challenge even the most experienced investors. The market is constantly shifting, and keeping up with trends and sudden changes can be overwhelming. Traditional investment avenues are looking increasingly uncertain, making investors eager for new, reliable options. Market volatility can be unnerving. One day, stocks are soaring, and the next, they're taking a nosedive. It's like navigating stormy waters without a compass. Economic factors like inflation, interest rates, and global events also play a significant role, impacting portfolios in unpredictable ways. Investors are constantly seeking ways to safeguard their portfolios while still aiming for growth. But finding dependable opportunities is increasingly difficult. That SYA thorough analysis of this ETF could be invaluable for anyone looking to make informed investment decisions. This ETF, which I'll reveal shortly, boasts a strong performance history with steady returns over several years. It tracks a diversified index made up of assets such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. The underlying companies are well established with proven track records, and the broader market conditions are favorable for its growth. The ETF's historical performance is impressive, consistently surpassing market averages. The fund managers bring years of experience and deep market knowledge, reflected in a disciplined, long-term investment strategy focused on sustainable growth rather than short-term gains. What sets this ETF apart is its combination of attractive features. It has a low expense ratio, allowing investors to retain more of their returns. Additionally, it has a strong history of dividend payments, which makes it an appealing choice for those seeking regular income. Current market conditions are aligned with the ETF's strategy, as demand for the types of assets it holds continues to grow. The global economy is evolving, and this ETF is strategically positioned to capitalize on these shifts. So, why could this ETF be the standout investment for 2025? It combines assets with strong growth potential, experienced fund management, a low-cost structure, and a reliable dividend record. All these factors make it a compelling choice for investors seeking stability and growth. Experts are also taking notice, many predicting strong performance for this ETF in 2025. They see it as a way to participate in the growing trend of sustainable and diversified investing, which could outperform more traditional options. Another advantage is the ETF's adaptability. It is designed to weather market fluctuations while still providing consistent returns. This makes it suitable for both long-term investors and those seeking a more hands-on approach to portfolio management. Additionally, this ETF has a focus on sectors and industries poised for growth in the coming years, giving investors a chance to participate in emerging opportunities without taking on excessive risk. Investors also benefit from the ETF's ease of access. Unlike some investment options that require large minimum contributions, ETFs can be purchased in smaller amounts, making them accessible to a wider audience. Finally, the ETF's transparent structure means that investors can monitor performance and make informed decisions, fostering confidence and clarity in their investment choices. Beyond performance and accessibility, this ETF also emphasizes sustainability, investing in companies with responsible practices. This approach aligns with the growing number of investors seeking to make an impact while still achieving strong financial returns. Another key advantage is the ETF's liquidity, because it's traded on major exchanges. Investors can enter or exit positions with ease, which is crucial during volatile periods or when adjusting a portfolio to meet changing goals. Additionally, this ETF has built-in risk management strategies that help mitigate potential losses during downturns. These features make it a balanced choice for investors who want growth without taking on excessive risk. In conclusion, this ETF offers a unique combination of strong historical performance, attractive features, and favorable market positioning. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth considering as a potential top investment for 2025. To recap, we've explored the challenges of finding reliable investments, the benefits of ETFs, and the potential of this specific ETF. I hope this gives you valuable insights for your own investment journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this ETF or other opportunities you're watching. Share your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to check out my next video for more strategies to help you make informed investment decisions in 2025.